Ordinarily, the proceeds from a sale of the bond will be equal to what? So simply put, when you sell a bond, when the company issue a bond, okay, when you sell a bond, how much do you get? The proceeds from the sale of the bond. Well, you have to understand, this is also an important basic concept. The bond is composed of two parts. Coupon payments. So when you buy a bond, you're going to get coupon payments, and you're going to get the face value, which is the amount for the bond. You get two things, the coupon payment and the face value. The coupon payments are an annuity. They are an annuity. So it's a series of payment, and the face value is one payment. So to find the price of the bond, to find the proceeds, you have to discount those two. You have to discount. So is it equal to the face amount? No, it doesn't equal to the face amount. Is it equal to the total of the face amount plus all interest payment? No, you don't get all the interest payment, okay? The present value of the face amount plus the present value of the stream of payment, yes, you discount them. You notice what I said here? I said you discount them. Discount them means finding the present value. You have to find the present value of the coupon payments, and you have to find the present value of the face value. The face amount of the bond plus the present value of the stream of interest payment. No, you discount both. It's the present value of the face amount, which is the face value, plus the present value of the stream of payment. So you add those two together at PV, the present value. So what
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.